Alright, I'm gonna teach you guys how to put on a worm on a fishing hook. You might already know this, but I'm gonna give you a trial at it. What I'm gonna do here is put this worm on like this. Make sure you leave just a little bit for the fish to bite. So I'm gonna do another loop on it, and it should be ready to go. If you can see the hook, you know it needs another loop. And you see this little bit right here hanging off? That's for the fish to bite.